Hello students, in today's video we will discuss about exercise 2.2 of fractions and decimals of class 7. Number 1, we have to match the numbers with the appropriate drawing. Here bit 1, 2 into 1 upon 5. It means two diagrams in which one part is shaded out of 5 parts. So it should be your D, because here it is divided into 5 parts and one part is shaded in each of the diagram. Okay. Then come to your second bit, 2 into 1 upon 2. Here also it denotes two diagrams in which one part is shaded out of two parts. It is your bit number 2 because it is divided into two parts and one part is shaded in both the diagrams. Now your bit number 3, 3 into 2 upon 3. That means three diagrams in which two parts are shaded out of three equal parts. Here it should be your A because it is divided into three parts. It is divided into three parts and two parts are shaded out of three parts in each of the diagram. Now your last bit, 3 into 1 upon 4. Here it denotes three diagrams in which one part is shaded out of four equal parts. Okay, so it should be your C. Now come to your number 2. Here also we have to match the numbers with appropriate diagrams. 3 into 1 upon 5 equals to 3 upon 5. 3 into 1 upon 5 means there are three diagrams in which one part is shaded out of 5 equal parts. 3 upon 5 means 3 part is shaded out of 5 equal parts. So your answer should be C, because here one part is shaded in each diagram and here 3 part is shaded out of 5 equal parts. Then your second bit, 2 into, then your second bit 2 into 1 upon 3 equals to 2 upon 3. 2 into 1 upon 3 means two diagrams in which one part is shaded out of three parts. 2 upon 3 means two part is shaded out of three parts. So your answer should be A. Here one part is shaded out of three equal parts and here two parts are shaded out of three equal parts. And your last one, 3 into 3 upon 4. If it is converted, then it should be 2 whole 1 upon 4. That means 3 into 3 upon 4 denotes three diagrams in which three parts are shaded out of four parts. 2 whole 1 upon 4 means two whole parts or two whole diagrams and one part is shaded out of four parts in one diagram. So it should be your B. Here in these diagrams three parts are shaded, okay, and here two whole triangles and one part is shaded out of four parts here. Your number 3 is multiply and reduce to lowest form and convert into a mixed fraction. The first one is 7 into 3 upon 5 equals to, here 7 means 7 upon 1, and in multiplication we will simply multiply the numerator with the numerator. 7 3 are 21 upon 5, as the denominator remains the same. It is an improper fraction, so we have to convert it into mixed fraction. 21 divided by 5. I have already told in the explanation video of fractions and decimal that how we can convert an improper fraction to a mixed fraction. So we can simply divide the numerator by the denominator. 5 4 ja 20, remainder is 1, equals to 4 whole 1 upon 5. It is your answer. The second one, 4 1 ja 4, denominator remains same 3. If we convert it into mixed fraction, it will become 1 whole 1 upon 3. You can simply divide the numerator by the denominator. The third one, 2 6 ja 12 upon 7, and when it is converted, 6 2 ja 12 upon 7, when it is converted, it will become 1 whole 5 by 7. Then the third one, 5 into 2 upon 9, 5 2 ja 10, denominator will 9, and your answer should be 1 whole 1 upon 9. Then the next one, 2 4 ja 8 upon 3, and if when it is converted into mixed fraction, it will become 2 whole 2 upon 3. Then the next one, here 6 is divisible by 2, so we can simply divide it. 2 3 ja 6, then 5 3 ja 15 is your answer. Then the next one, 11 into 4 upon 7, 11 4 ja 44 upon 7. When it is converted into mixed fraction, it will become 6 whole 2 upon 7. And the last one is 20 into 4 upon 5. Here also 20 is divisible by 5, so we can simply divide it. 5 4 ja 20, 4 4 ja 16 is your answer. Now come to your number 4. It asks us to set. The first bit is 1 by 2 of the circles in the box. First we have to find how many circles are there. There are 12 circles here. Of means multiplication or into. So 1 by 2 of means into. How many circles are there? 12 circles. Now 12 is divisible by 2. 2 6 ja 12 equals to 6. So we have to set 6 circles in the box. 1 2 3 4 5 6 circles. Clear? Then your second bit, 2 by 3 of the triangles in the box. Here also first we have to find how many triangles are there. There are 9 triangles here. So 2 upon 3 of means again into. How many triangles are there? 9 equals to 9 is divisible by 3. 3 ja 9. Now 3 2 ja 6. Here we can set 6 triangles in the box. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Okay. Then your last one, 3 upon 5 of the squares in box C. Here we have to find how many squares are there. There are 15 squares. So 3 upon 5 of means into. How many square we have found? 15 square. 15 is divisible by 5. 5 3 ja 15 equals to 3 3 ja 9. Here we can set 9 squares in the box. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9.